For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The rift is widening within the National Democratic Alliance in Bihar. Chirag Paswan has sacked a district president in Munger. The district minister has been sacked for issuing a statement that NDA is united in Bihar. BJP, JDU and LJP are in a power sharing agreement in Bihar. The official letter of the party says his statement was against the party line. Munger District President Raghavendra Bharti has violated the guidelines of the party and violated party president directions for maintaining discipline in the party. He is being released of his duties as district president till further notice. Raghavendra Bharti's comments calling NDA united was against the rules of the party, as only party president Chirag Paswan is authorized to give comments regarding the NDA alliance. Only Chirag Paswan was authorized to take a final call regarding the NDA. Chirag Paswan has also demanded 2 of the 12 Legislative Council seats for his party. Paswan Jr. has conveyed to BJP that based on seat sharing in last year's national election, LJP should get 2 seats. Chirag Paswan's father, Ram Vilas Paswan, is a minister in Modi's cabinet. As of now, BJP has said out of the 12 seats, 7 would go to Nitish Kumar's JDU and the rest to BJP. Chirag Paswan has been dropping several hints that all is not well within the coalition. Chirag Paswan had told party workers the face of NDA is changing. Paswan Jr. had also hinted that party workers should be ready for anything. The Janata Dal United has also hardened its stand. The Janata Dal United has also ruled out any seat sharing with LJP for assembly polls. A series of meetings have taken place to resolve the feud. A rift had already been brewing between the LJP and the JDU. Chirag Paswan had previously said he would support the BJP, whether it goes with Nitish Kumar or not. The BJP has declared Nitish Kumar the chief ministerial face of the ruling NDA for the Bihar election. Chirag Paswan has also dropped hints of his chief ministerial ambitions. Reports suggest Lok Janshakti Party will be given only 25 to 30 seats in the Bihar Assembly elections. Chirag Paswan is adamant on 42 seats in the 243-seat Assembly. LJP is a long-standing ally of the BJP, though it has also allied with other parties before. The party has allied with Congress and Lalu Prasad's RJD in the past. LJP tied with BJP in 2014. It remains to be seen if the alliance will continue.